Of course, just moved a bunch of cars to be ready to work on my wagon. And this wagon, I'm like, I thought I saw it dripping on the asphalt I have in the beginning of the driveway there. And thought it was something else, but it's clear-ish. And I reached underneath there and looked at the drips. And of course, the fuel line is leaking on the diesel. So, shit that's not supposed to happen to me happens, and shit just keeps piling on. More work, more shit to do. In the meantime, I will try to protect my concrete just a little bit. Oops. I'll fucking fall over. Alright, now to take the heads off this thing.